friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if this is the first video of mine that you're catching, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And today I have an unboxing video for you. This is the Assets by SPANX box from Boutique by the Box. So if you want to see what they sent me in this box, definitely stick around. So I ordered the regular SPANX box a few weeks ago. I can link that video down below if you want to watch it. After opening that one, I was like, I wonder what's in the Assets by SPANX box, which if you're unfamiliar with the Assets versus the regular SPANX, I think Assets is like a diffusion line. It's sold at lower end retailers like Target. So it's not worth as much, but you know, depending on popularity and things like that, sometimes paying a little bit less for something that's worth a little bit less but is still sought after can be a good thing. So I did decide to grab this. So this is the Assets by SPANX box, new with tag and new without tag. There are 40 pieces in here, which means that it's probably a lot of little stuff, underwear, shapewear, things like that. On the site, it's listed for $200. And I do have an affiliate code with Boutique by the Box. So I was able to take 10% off of my order. So it was $180 for the entire box, or $450 per piece with free shipping. So I figured it would be something fun to try. Hopefully it's worth my time. And if you are wanting to get this box, or pretty much any box from Boutique by the Box, my code does work for 10% off. It's OHYEAH. It is an affiliate code and it does work on most boxes. There are a few that they don't allow discounts on. So give it a try. You might as well try to get the 10% off. I know there's a few it doesn't work on. So the code does work when the code is supposed to work. If you like reseller content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Anytime I buy a new box and I come on here, I unbox it live. I give you my initial thoughts and then I come back 90 days later and I rate the box again based on what actually sold, and I give you my recommendation if I would buy another one. So hit that like button too if you could. That lets me know that you like this kind of content. And if you ordered this, the Assets box, definitely let me know how yours was. Did you get a lot of the same stuff? I'm definitely interested to know, so let me know. So once I open this up, this is sealed. I haven't opened it yet. I like to give you my raw reaction once I open it up and we can see together what comes inside. I will rate the box based on the ease of listing, quality of items, and overall profitability in 90 days. So if it's really good, I'll give it an oh yeah. If I think it's just okay, or if I'm really not sure, I'll give it an oh okay. And if I'm like, okay, no, this probably wasn't worth my investment, I'm not going to do well with this, I know already, I'll give it an oh no. And then 90 days later, if it's really, really good, I'll give it a holy grail. If it's really, really bad, I'll give it a dumpster fire. I don't typically use those when I'm first unboxing, but hey, you never know. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. I am going to show you what comes inside. I will get to work listing on at least eBay, Poshmark, Mercari. Those are pretty much my top 3 platforms. And I do use List Perfectly, so I cross-post everything to all 3 platforms in a hurry so I can get the best results in those 90 days. Okay, so as expected, there's a lot of little things, tights and things like that. So let's go ahead and just take a look and see what's inside. These are shaping tights, wishbone, textured shaping tights, wishbone, size 2, which it's basically like small, medium, large. These are on the back. There's a size chart, which I'll make sure to take a picture of. It's like 2 through 7. I can see there's a few of these. These are size 2 as well. These are size 2 as well. So a few duplicates. I don't know if there's more. Yeah, size 2. Those are all the same. All right, there might be some more, but yeah, these are all the same. Same size, same style. These are the same but different size. These are a size 3. When I did the regular SPANX box, there was an MSRP on most of the items, but this one doesn't seem to have it, so I'll be interested to know when I look them up. These are reversible shaping tights in flip side diamond, size 4. This one does have an MSRP of $18, which is not great. But I don't know, maybe, I don't know if it's going to be worth it to try to lop this stuff up, or I'm really not sure. These are Star Power by SPANX. Antique stripe. These are also tights. Size C. These have an MSRP of $28. High waist. What are these? Just high waist Red Hot label shaping tights. Oh, yeah. So these go all the way up. These are a dark gray, size 7. Okay. These are a mid-thigh shaper. That's good. I think these are a little more sought after than the tights. Hopefully there's more of these. These are Assets by SPANX, nude size 3. All right. Yeah, there's a bunch of these. Nude size 3. Nude size 4. Nude size 4. Yeah, there's like a ton of these. High waist, mid thigh. Nude size 3. Nude size 2. These are different. All right, then we have, these are nude size 1. These are mid thigh shapers, so these are different. High waist versus mid thigh. High waist mid thigh versus regular mid thigh. These have an MSRP of $12. So these are both a size 3. These are a size 3. Okay, more high waist, size 3 and size 2. And then high waist size 3, high waist size 2. Okay. I hope you guys are keeping track of that for me. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, that's a lot of duplicates. I see there's more of these wishbone tights. Size 2. Size 2. Size 2. Here's another mid-thigh shaper, size 1. Okay. Okay. What else? Oh, here's more of those diamond print tights. These are black size 2 and black size 1. So we looked at these already. They're the reversible ones. What's this? Red Hot label body shaper. What size? Super Control high waist panty. This does not say what size these are, really? So these are a size 4. Okay, these are Red Hot label shaping shears, size 4. MSRP $16. Really? Do these not have a size? I really don't want to have to open these to figure out what size they are. No. That's really sad. It doesn't say anywhere on the front of the packaging what size they are. It will say on the actual item. I'm just going to have to open them, I guess. Oh, I hate to break the seal on these. Normally it would be like right here, but it's just a barcode. Size 6. Okay. Well, I might be able to get him back in here like it was never open. Now we know it's a size 6. And I mean, this is probably going to be like one of the most valuable things in the box, which is why I'm going through so much on this. Okay. We've got more high waist shears. It's size 7. Textured scallop back seam shears. These also have no size on them. Oh, maybe they do. There's just a sticker over it. For real? Okay, I'm going to just deal with that later. I'm not as worried about those. What else is in here? Center stage pattern shaping tights. The good news is these all have funky patterns and stuff, which I got to get these listed quickly because people might be needing these for Halloween. There's a sticker over, so I can't see the size on these either. These are Tout and About cuffed leggings, size large. These have an MSRP of $52, so these might be my winner of the box, I guess, maybe. These are Red Hot Label original shaping tights in a size 7 dark gray. I think we saw these the very first thing I pulled out of the box. These are going to be the same exact duplicate. Size 3 black, same high-waisted shaping tights. These are size 1 black, high-waisted original shaping tights. These don't have the plastic. These are extra large seamless leggings. They're like a burgundy. They're sort of still in the package. Size extra large. I don't see an MSRP. Oh, suggested retail $38 on these. These are Marvelous Mama Assets by SPANX. I don't see a size on these either. It's covered up by the sticker. So these are maternity. And this is the last one. These are textured lace zigzag tights in a size 4, black. All right, I'm just gonna count and make sure there's 40 pieces here. All right, so there are exactly 40 pieces here. All right, let me rate this box initially. Ease of listing. So I am actually going to give this an oh yeah, and here's why. There are so many duplicates of the exact same item in the exact same size, I can easily lot this up. That being said, it's going to take me, I'll be able to list these very quickly because otherwise, if I were to try to list each one of these items individually, it absolutely would not be worth my time. But I know, like, for example, like these tights, you know, if you know you like these tights, you can usually only wear tights maybe a couple times before they rip or whatever. So I think it would be beneficial to sell all of the size 2 black in a lot and not individually. that's just going to be easier for everybody, I think, the buyer and me as the seller and the lister. So I'll say, oh yeah, just because of that, because I think it's going to be very easy to get all this listed, lotted up. Quality of items, I'm going to say, oh, okay. So like quality wise, everything's new. I mean, I can't complain about that. I would have liked to see a lot more shapers and a lot less tights, because the tights really aren't worth much. The shapers are not necessarily worth a ton, but they're worth a little more. The actual like waist cinchers, there was only one. So there's that. I'll give it an okay, quality wise, because of that. And then profitability in 90 days, I'm going to say, oh no. I hope I'm wrong. I so hope I'm wrong. But $4.50 a piece is steep for this stuff, unless there is profitability in lotting it up, which that's going to be my strategy here. So I certainly hope it is. With a first quality box like this, $4.50 is, for what this is kind of a little bit paying up, if I'm being honest. I mean, if it only retailed for 16 bucks, that is kind of paying up. So I want to at least double my money in 90 days. I think it's going to be a stretch, but I'm going to give it a shot. So stay tuned for the 90-day update. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know. Let me know if you ordered this, how you did, or how you do with Assets by SPANX in general. If you have sold this brand, specifically the spin-off, let me know down below. Otherwise, that is it for today, friends. I guess I should get to work. So that is what I'm going to do. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I will catch you in the next video.